In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check screen time on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option screen time. This is a helpful feature that shows how much time you are spending on apps, website, and overall phone usage. Now here you're gonna find out summary of your daily activity, including your average screen time and your most used apps. To view more detailed report, tap See All App and Website Activity. Here you can switch between day and week views to get a better understanding of your usage patterns. Scroll down and you will see a full breakdown of how much time you have spent on each app and website. You can also check extra details like notifications received and how many times you have picked up your phone during the day. If you are using multiple Apple devices with the same Apple ID, screen time can also combine your usage data. You can switch between devices to see activity for each one individually. This is a great way to track your habits, manage distractions, and stay more productive throughout the day. And that's it. That's how you can check screen time on your iPhone and view detailed app usage stats. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.